Yeah, a little bit of different scenery. That's my roommate's side. I'll show you guys my side. Yeah, a lot cooler. I got the nano leaves up on the wall. Anyways, yeah, it's been a little there. It's been a little weird cuz move into a new environment, body automatically does not like change. But I think this is going to be great for me and I'm very excited. So, let's do a little recap. So I was not able to trade because I did have an orientation thing that started at 8:30 and I was monitoring the trade on my phone, but I just don't like taking trades on my phone just because I'm not able to, flip back and forth, stuff like that. But anyways, let's do a little recap. So today we had a News Monday, which is not happening much usually. And we had a lower time frame SMT on Nasdaq and ES, and ES was the moving one, so ES did not come down and sweep this liquidity out, but Nasdaq did. And then if we look on ES, we had our SMT low candle, and then we had two up candles, and then this down candle and this down candle as well. So if we mark out this candle and then we go to the 1 minute, this is when that candle would have closed and then this next one opened, I believe. So this is probably where we would have entered off of, would have been this right here. And then I would have, should not be a what if, and then I would have put stops right there, and then that would have taken us out completely for the trade, or hit full take profit. That should be the right entry, I believe, because that's at 850, and then this one was 845. Yeah, so this is that next one was still a bearish candle, and then we had obviously our two up candles that hit take profit. But if we would have entered on Nasdaq, which I more than likely wouldn't have, just based on the fact that I don't like entering off of the lagging index because it's just more of a chance that it's not going to play out. So if we look at, this is going to be where this bearish candle closed, would have been right there. We had right away a strong bullish candle, would have entered right here, put stops at this low, and then, what the heck? And then I would have put our take profit up to these highs. So a much, much better risk to reward. But, I just like putting them on the leading index. So this would have been a winning day, if I would have used proper risk, which I would have probably risked about 150 on this, just because that's kind of what I want to start risking, is just like a constant 150, and then on like lower risk days, probably move it to like 100 around there. And yeah, this would have played out, probably would have been about like 175 on the day after moving stops to probably break even on this like level here. That's probably all I would have done, would have been entered here and then move stops to break even there. And that's probably all I would have done for, closing partials. But yeah, we're going to see lots more trades here and it's going to be different. But I really believe that this is going to be a place where I'm going to grow, and I'm very excited for the freedom that this is going to offer. But yeah, new change of scenery, still same old me, still same old stuff. Got to keep pushing, and I'm excited to see what tomorrow brings.